Hello students, how are you? Hopefully you are doing well. Our today's MCQs is about energy change. Let's come to the statement. Bond breaking is an endothermic process, which means it will absorb the energy whenever you are breaking the bond. And bond breaking is an exothermic process, which means heat will release whenever you are making the bond, for which change is not possible from the equation to deduce whether the reaction is endothermic or exothermic. There are four options which are given below. Actually, in this statement, he wanted to ask which one of the given options is the one where we cannot tell whether the reaction will be exothermic or endothermic. Let's look at the scenario. In alpha option, chlorine molecule breaks into chlorine atoms. This equation clearly shows that only bonds are breaking. It must be endothermic. In Charlie option, water molecule breaks into hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom. This equation also shows that only bonds are breaking. It must be endothermic. In delta option, the hydrogen atom and chlorine atom combine to form the hydrogen chloride molecule. This equation clearly shows that only bonds are forming. It must be exothermic. But in beta option, hydrogen molecule is breaking as well as chlorine molecule is also breaking, and they combine to each other to form the hydrogen chloride molecule. This equation shows that bonds are breaking as well as bonds are forming. But we didn't know the final answer. Either it will be negative exothermic or endothermic positive. Although evenly bonds are breaking, bonds are forming. But there will be the final answer. There must be a final answer. Why? Because reactants and products are two different substances. And different substances has must different kind of energies. They cannot be same. So in this case, there will be some kind of final answer. Either it will be exothermic or endothermic. We didn't know about that. So the correct option will be beta option. Hopefully you get it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.